Hello, it's me, James, the Sleep Geek, and I'm here today with Mattress Online to talk about naps. Everybody loves a nap, particularly Saturday afternoon. If you've got a night out planned, a little nap can help you get through that night. But often naps are talked about as being a cure for insomnia, and they're definitely not. What naps do is they reduce the impact of sleep deprivation. They make you feel more alert and more active. But often they can actually make your sleep at night worse. So some tips to help you get the most out of your naps. If you're napping, nap before 2 p.m. It's less likely to impact on your nighttime sleep. If you're napping less than 30 minutes, it's less likely to impact on your nighttime sleep. And actually, the research shows the optimum time for a nap is 10 minutes. So 10-15 minutes to fall asleep, 10-15 minutes to sleep. You get that alertness and that activeness as you wake up. Little tip, if you want to get a bigger shot of energy, you could maybe try having a shot of caffeine as you go to nap. Caffeine takes about 30 minutes to metabolize. As you wake up, you feel more energetic. That's known as a nappuccino. You might want to give it a go. Just to be clear, napping does not include all sleep in the day. If you're sleeping in the day for like 3, 4, 5 hours, and I've come across some people who do, that is not a nap. That is a sleep at the wrong time, and that will definitely make your sleep at night a lot worse. So there you go. Here's some information about how to get the most out of your nap. If you want some more information, go to mattressonline.co.uk and sleep well.